Your voice AI sounds like a robot reading Shakespeare, without the emotions. Evaluating its performance is harder than interpreting abstract art. Enter Hume AI, open source models with feelings. Now your AI can ace the empathy test. Let's begin by exploring onboarding. Onboarding. Think of it as a trust fall, but digital. We're on the website. Click the Get Started button. Enter your email. Enter your password. Agree to the terms. Click the Create Account button. Verify your email and click Got it. Wait for the verification to complete. Click the Go to Login button. Enter your email. Click the Login button. Enter your personal details. Pick some options. Fill in all fields. Click the Continue button. Now you're on the main dashboard. Home, where all tabs visit but none stay. On the main dashboard, click Voices. Describe the voice you want to create. Open Advanced Options. Add a custom script. Click Generate Samples. Select a voice sample and click Next. Enter a name for the voice sample. Click plus Add Tag. Open the Language dropdown. Select a language. Click Save. Your new voice is now in the library. Here's how creating a voice cloning works. Explore the Hume AI dashboard. Click Voice Cloning. Name your new voice. Choose how to provide audio. Record your voice. Select the microphone and start recording. Finish and let it process. Success! Your voice is saved. Check My Voices to see it. Here's how playing an audio works. Click the user profile. Then switch to the new account. Playground, text-to-speech, now with added monotony. Enter text, click Generate. Then, enhanced text is ready for audio. Now let's try saving a voice. Click the Save Voice button. Next, enter the name in the Save as New Voice modal. Then, click the Create button. Finally, see the success notification. Here's how updating a speaking speed works. Open the advanced options. Next, toggle speaking speed on. Then adjust the slider to 1.5. After that, enter your text and click Generate. Expression measurement. Gauging your feelings, because privacy is overrated. Type text into the editor. Next, analyze emotional expressions. Then, switch to toxicity for detailed scores. Next, let's see how analyzing a video works. Start by selecting a model in the Expression Measurement tool. Next, choose Try an Example after picking a model. Then, select the example file from the modal window. After that, proceed to analyze the file. Moving on, the app prepares your job. Initial results show video previews and timelines. Hover over the timeline for emotion details. Finally, see individual faces with emotion scores. Now let's try Jobs Detail. View completed jobs. Next, see job details and analyze results or download outputs. Voices. Because text-to-speech isn't soulless enough yet, browse the voice library. No match found. Search for Vince shows results. Next, let's see how filtering voice works. We're on the voice library. Pick a language. Next, select English. Then choose an accent. Finally, no results found with these filters. Moving on to copying a voice ID. Select Vince Douglas from the voice library. Next, click the Options menu. Then choose Download Voice Preview. After that, hover over Download Voice Preview. Now, let's try editing a voice. Start by viewing your list of created voices. Next, select Edit Voice from the options. Then type the new name in the name field. After that, click Save to update. Finally, see the updated name in your voices list. Next, let's see how deleting a voice works. On the My Voices page, delete Voice 1. Next, confirm the deletion in the modal. Then see the updated My Voices list. Projects. Finally, a place to store your forgotten tasks. Select your voice from the panel. Next, enter your desired voice in the field. Here's how renaming a chapter works. Click on the chapter name. Next, select the menu icon. Then, choose to rename. Enter the new chapter name. After that, save your changes. Finally, see the updated chapter name. Now, let's try adding a pause. Add a pause by clicking the icon. Next, choose a duration from the dropdown. Finally, see the pause tag added to your script. Now let's try pinning a project. Click Pin to Sidebar to keep your project accessible. Then, select a voice for text-to-speech. Now let's try updating project settings. Click the menu icon. Next, select Project Settings. Then, open the Model dropdown. After that, click Save Changes. Moving on, close the side menu or choose another option. Now let's try generation history. Select a voice and click the history icon. Then, view and manage generation history. Here's how importing a document works. Start by clicking Import Document. Next, upload your file in the modal. Then, confirm the PDF upload. Finally, view the project editor to continue. Moving on to Export History. Click Export History, then review and download previous exports. Let's check out exporting a project. Click the Export button. Next, choose Entire Project and continue. Then wait for the export to complete. Finally, download your file. Playground AI, because chatbots need their playdates. In the Hume AI Playground, click to add an assistant message. Next, enter your message in the input field. Then, click Send to add it to the conversation log. After that, stop the session. Finally, adjust settings or start a new call. Moving on to adding session settings. Select the language model. Then, submit the session settings. Now, the AI updates with the new configuration. Now let's look at restoring a version history. Load your saved configuration, then close the modal. Finally, allow microphone access to start. Up next, muting audio and voice. Select the language model dropdown. Then, adjust new configuration settings. Moving on to copying a JSON, select the language model option. Next, Claude Sonnet 4 is chosen, and JSON is copied. Next, let's see how creating a config works. Click plus new config to start. Next, select the customer support template. Then, click Create to proceed. Finally, allow microphone access and save settings. Built. Because coding from scratch is so 2020, we're configuring a conversational AI. Next, enter a description. Then save the description. After that, see the updated description. Finally, view the AI versions. Moving on to filtering insights by date. Filter data by date for precise insights. Then, view filtered results. Next, let's see how copying an URL works. Click Deploy with Vercel. Then, switch to the new tab to complete setup. Next, let's see how chat history detail works. First, view chat history showing past conversations. Next, select the chat from March 25, 2026. Then, explore the call summary with emotion metrics. Notifications, because silent mode was too popular. Check notifications on the Hume AI dashboard. You're all caught up. Switching to dark mode. For those serious about eye strain. We're on the app dashboard. Click the User Profile button. Next, choose the Theme menu item. Then select Dark Theme. After that, the dashboard switches to dark mode. Moving on, click Voices in the sidebar. Then switch to the My Voices tab. Finally, proceed to the Text-to-Speech Playground. Developers, you mean magicians with keyboards, right? Regenerate your API and secret keys. Confirm the irreversible action. Your keys have been successfully regenerated. Usage. Because manual reading beats guessing every time. View voice tools on the dashboard. Next, see subscription details in the drop-down menu. Settings, where dreams of simplicity go to hibernate. Start by editing your first name. Next, update your details and click Save. After that, your changes are confirmed. Now let's try updating profile photo. Click Save Changes, then see your profile updated. Now let's look at updating password. Scroll down and click Change Password. Next, select Change Password in Account Security. Then, type your current and new password. After that, click Update despite the error. Finally, see the success notification on Account Security. Up next, subscribing to a plan. Choose a plan, then confirm your upgrade. Next, let's see how update billing information works. Click Activate in the billing section. Next, enter your address. Then, type your postal code. After that, submit the completed billing form. Moving on to deleting an account. Select Delete Account on the Manage Account page. Confirm permanent deletion in the modal. You'll see the login page after deletion, logging in, otherwise known as Guess That Password. Click Forgot Password. Next, enter your email. Then click Send Password Reset Email. After that, click Back to log in. Moving on, type your new password. Then click Reset Password. Finally, your password is reset. Return to login. Logging out, where epic journeys meet tiny buttons. Click Log Out to leave the dashboard. Now, explore the text-to-speech demo, Hume AI, where voice meets emotions. Even your GPS can cry now. Try it today.